Salmonella in Eggs by Taylor McCurdy. Salmonella is a rod-shaped bacteria that is usually found in raw foods such as eggs. When consuming eggs infected with salmonella, one will usually suffer from symptoms of salmonellosis, which includes 1. Diarrhea, 2. Vomiting, 3. Stomach cramps, and 4. Fever. You may wonder how salmonella gets into the eggs, being that they have a hard shell. The infection comes from the actual hen. The hens can be infected with salmonella from contamination in their environment. Hens can get sick in numerous of ways. The most common and controversial way is the amount of room that the hens occupy. Questions have been raised about caged hens being the ones that lay eggs with salmonella due to small amounts of space and the space not being as clean as necessary. Some argue that the amount of space does not matter and that it is the hen itself. Others say that the hen cannot fully develop in such a small area. Hens, just like humans, have likes and dislikes when it comes to their bodies. Usually we humans do not like something because we have a reason. For example, some do not like Brussels sprouts because they are allergic. Same goes for hens. They do not like being wet because it makes them sick. This also can be a contributing factor in infecting hens with bacteria, especially with outdoor hen farms. How exactly do the hens transfer the bacteria from their bodies to the actual egg? The most common way is through their feces. The bacteria usually exits the hen's body through the rear in the form of feces. And because the hens sit on the egg, the transaction of bacteria from hen to egg takes place through this primary contact. In August of 2010, there was a major recall on eggs due to salmonella.
Federal investigators at these massive hen houses in Iowa believe salmonella somehow made its way inside. Now hundreds of millions of eggs are being recalled after several hundred people became sick in California, Colorado, and Minnesota. And it looks like the hens themselves are infected.
Now, how do we make sure our eggs are healthy? And if they are, keep them that way. And how do we keep ourselves healthy when handling eggs? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention gives 5 easy answers. 1. Always refrigerate eggs. 2. Throw away cracked and dirty eggs. 3. Wash hands and surfaces with soap after contact with raw eggs. 4. Cook thoroughly until both the whites and the yolk are firm. And 5. Avoid eating raw eggs.